Hi guys, good afternoon. Big levels in play. The Canadian dollar pushing above resistance here against the US dollar. I know you may well look the other way, dollar CAD, but either way, big level breaking for now. Do we get the confirmation? Time will tell. Next area of resistance, I'd be looking at the low that we had on the 10th, or the high, depending which way you look at as well, which is in touching distance now. So the CAD breaking through, helped by some dollar weakness, and also oil you can see as well trying to make a run for it. You can see currently above the most watched commodity of late, I'd say, and you get those failed breaks lower of the trend line, and yeah, pushing on. Next area for me, sort of $43. So yeah, oil and CAD very correlated, and also pushing on. S&P broke a key level yesterday. It's hard time to be a bear of anything, it seems at the moment, but yeah, that's breaking through. For the S&P, the next level, you would say 25th of Feb high has been hit before I think we can start thinking about the gap fill, which would obviously be a bit higher up, but those would be the levels of interest. In terms of opportunities today for the S&P, it wouldn't surprise me to see a bit of a pullback, and that level 32.50 double top from yesterday and this morning I think will be a level people do look at. Ultimately the bears, I mean, it has to come back below 32.28, and at the moment it's looking very unlikely. Euro hasn't quite pushed on past those highs and towards the 115 handle, but you can see that's going to be a key resistance. I expect a fast money move above there. Looking at the low of the range, you can see this around the S1. You've got yesterday's lows in the mix there as well. So big level for sure, above and below. In between, I'm not sure you can be too interested. The trend line here maybe offers a fast money move down towards that S1. If it does break, worth keeping a watch on that. But ultimately, it's going to be a headline-driven market. Moving on to the pound, which has pushed higher today. Obviously, we're talking about the 200-day moving average, which has been holding this up in recent trade, and that again is in play. You can see probably not far off literally where we're trading now. Yeah, you go. So along with those highs from previous weeks this month, and also the high of the 16th, a bit of resistance. It'd be interesting to see if we can close back below this previous range that held us up, and that the 200-day moving average maybe does bring us below for the short. But if we see dollar weakness still, if we see risk on this market, in my opinion, is still going to go higher. Aussie dollar yearly chart. Look at that candle, incredible. Anyway, back to highest levels really from the year. Looking at this as well, you can see just that daily high that we had from the 10th of June being hit, but it's a big zone. It's a big zone. So I wouldn't get too carried away about the next big move to the upside unless this whole area closes, and for now it's just testing that as a zone. If you want to be late to the party for a short bit of a break of the trend like this would be the way I'd look at it. But for now, dollar's weak, risk is on, and it's a day where everything for now is going up. Cash open will be interesting though. How do people interpret that information, or interpret the pushes higher that we've seen? Is it a profit taking and we get back below these key levels, or do we get the confirmation of these breaks and actually the next move higher in risk is on the cards? Anyway guys, hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you later on.